The Widgets QuickBooks solution will allow you to easily pull your orders from your e-commerce system and import them into your QuickBooks company file. This can also be done on a scheduled basis, daily, weekly, monthly, or whenever you want. Once you have the Widgets QuickBooks program downloaded to your computer and have Remote Connector for QuickBooks downloaded as well, you'll be able to run the software. After a call with us to help you set up your program, you'll be ready for the first batch into your QuickBooks system. Before you can do any manual batches, it's best to always run a backup of your company file. On the main screen of the Widgets QuickBooks program, you'll see your dashboard. Down at the bottom, you'll have 4 main statuses of orders importing into QuickBooks. The successful orders made it through to QuickBooks without any issues. The orders that need review may have something wrong with them, such as a SKU in your e-commerce system not existing as an item name in QuickBooks. The orders that have failed are ones that were unable to be pulled into QuickBooks for various reasons. Orders that are processing are ones that haven't finished being imported into QuickBooks and need to be resumed. The results from the most recent automated batch or manual batch will show up on this screen. If you close the program, the results of these 4 colored bars will reset, but you'll always have your Batch History tab. Here, you can review the previous batches that have been done. It's in this area that you'll be able to click the Export button to export the batch history for further review. You'll also have a Logs tab to see the various e-commerce logs, QuickBooks logs, and Widgets QuickBooks system logs if you need to review the results further. With each batch that is run, daily, weekly, or monthly, you'll get an automatic email notification letting you know of the results of the recent Widgets QuickBooks upload. When you see things that need review or have failed, you can open up the Widgets QuickBooks program on your computer and work on any adjustments that you may need. On the dashboard, you'll have the Review Transactions button. Here you can see the orders that appear in the yellow bar, and from here you'll be able to see why the orders didn't go into QuickBooks. In this area, you'll either be able to adjust or fix the issue, or at least know why the issue happened in the first place. The Run New Transactions button will trigger a manual batch to run and pull these orders into your QuickBooks system. There will be a loading wheel. Let the program run its course, and when it finishes, you'll get a pop-up message telling you that it's complete. Once that's done, you'll see the results in the colored bars. The Test Order Transfer button will allow you to send over one order from your existing e-commerce system to see how the process will flow. Simply type in the order number and press the Process Test Order button. The next 3 buttons allow you to review the logs for your 3 different systems: your e-commerce system, your QuickBooks tool, and the Widgets QuickBooks program. When the Widgets QuickBooks solution is pulling orders through on a batch, you'll be able to have QuickBooks open to see the orders pulling in real time. But a great feature of this solution is that you can actually have QuickBooks completely closed and still have the automatic scheduled batches take place. Completed orders will come into QuickBooks as sales receipts, while refunds will come into QuickBooks as credit memos. Your e-commerce system should be the main source of your customers' data, so information that comes into QuickBooks may appear a little limited at first, not having any customer name or billing information attached to these sales orders. All that information will be in your e-commerce system. Every order coming through the Widgets QuickBooks tool will pool into a single generic customer account, which you could name retail or CRM sales or anything you'd like. As orders pull in, you will get order numbers, the class name, the product name, the SKU, quantities of the products purchased, the prices, and shipping line item and a tax line item. Classes in QuickBooks will be set up to match your order types or sales channels. Item names in QuickBooks need to match your e-commerce platform's product SKUs. To ensure that your taxes come into the system in the most accurate way possible, we will need to ensure that your taxes are set up in a specific way. The Widgets QuickBooks tool works with most versions of QuickBooks Desktop as long as you're running Windows 7 or newer. You can also use the Widgets QuickBooks tool on a cloud-based system such as Cloud9. If you have any further questions, please feel free to let us know.